Hey guys, it is a new week of What's for Dinner. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below, like this video, and hit the notification so you will be notified every time I post a video like this or any of my other videos as my budgeting video or my grocery hauls. So tonight is Sunday and we are having what Jared calls street tacos. So we have the corn tortillas that he fried up, and then we have tomatoes, cheese, lettuce, and sour cream. And then he cut up some skirt steak and he seasoned it with, what's it called, Jared? Because I don't remember what's it called.
Carne asada.
That sauce, because I can't pronounce it right. So mix all that together and you have some tacos. So this is what we're going to have. Nothing on the side, and then I have the Crystal Light water. But yeah, so this is for dinner, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Tuesday, and we are having our chicken wraps. We were supposed to have this Monday, but we didn't because I actually went to a parade, and we also forgot to take the chicken out. So I was at a Mardi Gras parade, so we had some Moe's. So I had a pulled pork sandwich. But tonight we're having our chicken wraps, and it's just 3 pieces of chicken. It's fried up with lettuce, tomatoes, ranch, and on a tortilla. And Jared rolled it up because I am not good at rolling up burritos or wraps. And then I have the, let me show y'all, the flavored twisted honey barbecue. And these are really good. Some of my favorites. And I get a big bag from like Sam's for like $5. But anyway, so this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Super simple and easy for a quick call night since I'm on call. But anyways, I'll see you guys Wednesday. Hey guys, and happy Wednesday. We are having smothered pork chops. So Jared cooked these pork chops in our air fryer, so it looks really good. And then he cooked the mushrooms in the air fryer. And then we are having some rice that he cooked in the Instapot. And then some gravy on the stovetop. So a lot of appliances that we are using, but it turned out really good. It smells really good. So we are going to have this, and we are going to see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, happy Friday. If you hear anything in the background, that's just Steve, our iRobot vacuum. He's just cleaning up right now. But anyway, so tonight is breakfast night because I worked a 12-hour shift. So we are having scrambled eggs, bacon, and Eggo waffles with syrup. All thanks to Jared. So we are going to eat this, and we will see you guys tomorrow. You guys, this is Dinner of Champions. So we're having ramen. It's very bad for you. Do not try this at home. It's beef flavored though, so it's kind of like my favorite. But this is what we're having tonight. And it is the last night for What's for Dinner. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And let me know if you're going to be making any of these meals. And I won't say anything because I have this kind of idea for the next What's for Dinner clips. But stay tuned and you'll find out next week. All right, bye you guys.